Good morning, and welcome to your pre-market report. For Friday, 5th December, 2025, let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. The U.S. markets closed near record territory with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq gaining and the Dow slipping slightly, supported by hopes for a rate cut by the Federal Reserve and selective strength in cyclical and retail stocks, even as investors remained cautious ahead of upcoming inflation data. Once again, the Asian markets opened mostly mixed to negative with the Nikkei and Hang Seng falling while the Kospi gained as U.S. inflation data is awaited today, which will affect rate cut outlook. GIF Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 26,187, indicating a flat opening for the Indian markets today. Copper and some metals are seeing support on supply-side tightness despite soft demand outlook globally, though overall metals remain somewhat cautious. Gold remains steady as rate cut hopes persist, and silver is buoyant, still enjoying strong safe haven demand amid global uncertainty. IndiGo is set to receive a partial exemption from DGCA's new pilot rest and duty rules after a major operational breakdown that has already caused over 1,000 upcoming flight cancellations. Diamond Power Infrastructure secured a 748 crore order from Adani Green Energy to supply solar cables between January and December 2026. British American Tobacco has announced plans to divest between 7% and 15.3% of its stake in ITC Hotels. Since mostly negative sentiment is being displayed across the Asian markets today, supports at 25,965, followed by 25,855 may be tested. Resistance on the upside is at 26,100, and trading will mostly be dominated by banking and financials due to the MPC meet scheduled today. Ongoing uncertainty over global growth, volatile crude oil and base metal prices, and any adverse news on interest rate policy or foreign inflows could weigh on market sentiment and trigger near-term volatility. Strong domestic institutional buying, fresh large orders and deal wins in infrastructure and energy, and stable precious metal demand could support selective sector rallies and limit downside pressure. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers of about 1,944 crore rupees, while DIIs were net buyers of roughly 3,661 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on December 5, 2025. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.